You searched how to buy shares of Micropolis AI Robotics, a company that develops industrial and service robots and AI-driven automation solutions. Micropolis AI Robotics trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MCRP, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy MCRP, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MCRP to find the stock quickly. Select the listing that shows Micropolis AI Robotics on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the Micropolis AI Robotics asset page, you will see a short company overview and a price chart for the stock. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker MCRP to ensure you have the right asset. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. Once your order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a quick link to eToro and more details, check the description below.